This meeting is being recorded.
Hey guys, good morning. Sorry for delay, ma. This is the last day. Monday onwards regular. Okay. Demos are done. Finally. So how many days demo should be good? 2 days. 2 days enough. So 2 days enough. But every day new people are coming, no? Then how can I about new people? We'll give the free recording videos to them. Go to hell. Your wish. Kind of thing. What's Ravia? What you are thinking? Huh? You are thinking very serious. Any problem? Tell me. We'll send our boys. So numerical data analysis completed. What's remaining small thing is there that. Good morning, Sabita, Nikita, Uma, Priyanka, Srishti. See, everyone, girls only saying good morning. Only Utkarsh said. Srishti, Priyanka, Uma, Nikita. On that I mentioned no Utkarsh. First only you said. And all are girls. What about others? Naveen, Abhishek, Manohar, Nagarani, Geeta, Hamja, Navadeep, Diksha, Manasa, Srikant, Monali, Navin. Again, how many Navins are there? Nikita, Pradeep, Pragati, Prashant, Gaud, Priyanka, Kumari Sahu, Priyanka, Kumari Sahu, Priyanka, Ramesh, Rani, Renuka, Sabita, Sahiti, Sai Kiran, Shankar Pradhan. Yeah. One important announcement is tomorrow no class, okay? Tomorrow no class. I'm putting now right away. Hello students. No class tomorrow. No class tomorrow. Tomorrow means which date? The date also I need to mention. Some people will think like that. 16, 12, 20, 23. Again I'll put Saturday. Okay. Now next class on Monday. Monday is the 18th. 12, 20, 23. Okay. Regards. Omkar. Yeah. Okay. No class tomorrow, ma. I will bring laddu for you. Only one laddu I will bring you in the class. For one class. Only one laddu. You need to share that laddu. Laddu. वो क्या बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहा है तू? ఓన్లీ వన్ లడ్డు ఫర్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్. తిన్నది కూడా కదా అరే. చిన్నది పార్సల్. 1 person 2 laddu. How many person? 100 into 2? 200. 200 1 laddu rupees 550 rupees. 200 into 50 10,000 rupees. ओ जाने आने के लिए 10,000 खर्च नहीं हुआ. लड्डू के लिए 10,000 खर्च करना था. Arrival free blessings. I'll pray for you. I'm going for to show my gratitude to God, not for pray generally, because God has given many things to me. So no need to pray extra. Just I will go and just meet him and come. Like that I will travel. So why so many applications I need to keep? Sometime I need to think like that. So God knows when to give, when not to give. Okay. Don't worry about that. Life has so many miracles. But definitely I will pray. I'll pray for you. Everyone should become a great data scientist. Everyone. And once you reach certain level, give job to me, okay? If I call you as Saurav, give me one job. You need to offer. At that level, you need to be. I don't know about Deepak. Deepak will say, sir, I'm busy. Call after later. Can I, Deepak? Will you do like that? No, right? Deepak is my boy. Deepak is my boy. That is. Now next, in the last one thing is remained, ma'am. Median imputation is remained. We'll close that and we'll start the new notebook. Median. So whenever you open new notebook means import packages and read the data. Import packages and read the data. I am writing this means that is a common sense. Started a fresh day. Okay, that you need to understand. Okay, that's why I am writing like this. Import packages, read data means. Just take this thing. Now read the data. Okay, you read the data. Then what you have done? You created an outlier analysis, right? So outlier analysis you want to impute with the median. And further what happened? You created lower bound, upper bound, and all the things you have done, right? So this I am taking. This I am taking. This I am taking. In this what happened? You need to check this greater than. You need to check this lower bound. And this is outliers. We are taking only outliers concentration. Outlier, not data frame. We are checking only outliers. We are checking outliers only. And that outliers means you need to get this column, you need to write like this. Correct? Yesterday we have done this. If you write the column means column values will come. If you remove the column means what will come? Data frame will come. Data frame will come. These are outliers. Why series empty is coming? R. Very good. This is a R. These are the outliers. The length of outliers is how much? Length of outliers is equal to 427. So what I said, I want to impute with the median I said. So what you have done? For I in outliers, you printed I, right? You printed I. Each and every I outlier will come. Each and every outlier will come. What you have done next? You write a condition. If I greater than UB or I less than LB, then you want to create a list, okay, that new data equal to, now instead of this I, whenever this I is satisfying, the new value will happen now, new data dot append of median, right? You want to append with the median, that means the column dot median. Column dot median value. Else you're keeping new data dot append, but here we should not iterate through outliers. We should iterate through what? Visa DF columns only. We need to iterate through each and every column only. Every line will come dot I. So this is the code, ma. This is the code. New data. Now length of new data is equal to 25480. 25480. This is the code. We are iterating through. We are iterate through prevailing wage data. If any data point greater than UB or less than LB means it is the outlier. 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 So in that position, we are keeping median value of the column. That's why what happened? We are checking the condition. If that condition is true, that new data appending the mean value. Correct, Avish? Otherwise, we are keeping the same value. We are keeping the same value. We are keeping the same value. That is the what method. Where is Ramesh? We are keeping the same value. Understood everyone this code? Maybe you tried like this only, right? Everyone tried like this only, right? At least some idea you got. Instead of this condition also, you can put the outliers. I in outliers also you can keep. I in outliers, because already outliers we got, right? Already we got the outliers. If I in outliers, replace it. If not, keep the same. That also is possible. I in outliers. Because outliers list we have. Outliers list we have. Yes, Utkarsh, Nikita. But the same thing we can implement it by a method called np.where. np.where. Put cited now np.where. numpy.where. Where? किधर है? Where? np.where. The same thing we can use np.where. So this is good, this idea. I'm expecting this idea only from you. Those who are doing good, that is great. You're slowly becoming a good Python developers. That's great. That's great. Keep citing np.where. np.where. Let's create a small data frame first. Yeah, we are not changing because that method we are not using, Sabita. Okay, that is for testing your skill. Will you able to create this list or not? We will not use that. We will use np.where condition to implement the same above. Okay. This for only for testing. We are not implement this. np.where. np.where. Let's create a data frame. A dict equal to, quickly create a data frame. Call1 : 1, 2, 3, 4. call to equal to A comma B comma C comma D. PD dot data frame dict1. This is a create a column. Create it. Create the column. Everything we are learning from very scratch level, ma. So you need to utilize the sessions and trainings opportunity. Okay. Now this is a data equal to data. Now the question is, I want to impute with a value 100 in the column 1 which are having values greater than 2. That is the question. Understood question? I want to impute with a value 100 in column 1 which are having values 2. So the new data will be like this now. Call 1, call 2, 1, here A, 2, here B, but this time what will come? 100 will come. C, this time what will come? 100 will come. D. This is a new output. I want this output from this. Greater than will keep. Which less than? Call 1 which are having greater than 2. 3 is greater than 2. So replace with what? 100. Understood everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah, next. This now np dot where we will use now. np dot where that means np means numpy dot where import numpy as np. np dot where will take 3 arguments, ma. That is the condition. First one is condition and second one is x and y. That means if condition is true, it will one value. If condition is false, another value. Okay, I'm just writing here. np dot where will take 3 arguments. Three argument values. First one is condition. First one is condition. What is the condition here? df data square bracket call 1 greater than 2. That is the condition. Yes or no? That is the condition. Condition equal to that is the condition. If that condition is true, if that condition is true, will provide the true value. Will provide the value. Which value that is? 100. If condition is false, if that condition is false, if condition is false, we'll keep the same value. We'll keep the same value. What is the same value? Data square bracket call 1. That's the same value. Because data square bracket call 1 is nothing but value or not. Checking the value. Is value greater than 2? Replace with 100. Otherwise keep the same value. The format should be like this. NP dot where you write the condition here. You write the condition here. Next you write the true value here. You write the false value here. False value, true value. False value, true value. So if condition is true, automatically this value will come. If the condition is false, automatically the old value will be there. That is the idea. No need to if and else, everything that is. No need to iterate. Direct gunshot. NP dot where? Write the condition. What is the condition? Data, square bracket, column greater than 2. That is the condition. If that is what is the value? 100. What is another value? Data, call 1. Data call 1 is nothing but your values. Correct or not? Data call 1 means what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. If you keep greater than 2, what will come? What will come? The condition. True and false will come. First one is false. Second one is false. Third one is true. Fourth one is true. A false है तो same value होना था. A true है तो 100 replace करना था. So पहले इधर condition लिखा, इधर 100, इधर data call 1. Now the output will be like this. NP dot where what is the condition? This is the condition. We'll first work on this, then we'll go to visa. With the condition, so CON, comma, what is the true value? What is the true value? 100. What is the false value? Not condition. Data. These are values, right? These are values. These are the values. Data, call 1 is the value. Now you see 1, 2, 100, 100. So this you need to understand. And please confirm the chat. Any difficulties in this? Or everyone understood? Values means data square bracket call 1. Always remember that. Data square bracket call 1. You are retrieving the column. That is your values. Column values. And you are not kids. This is the 5th day or 6th day in the EDA. You know how to read the column values. Correct? So till now everyone is good? Easy? So which is easy? NP dot where is easy, right? NP dot where is easy. NP dot where is easy will work for only binary conditions. Only for Binary. Binary means if and else conditions only, not multiple conditions. Whatever if else that we can replace with np.where. If and else condition only will work for np.where, not multiple conditions. Not multiple conditions. Binary conditions only. Binary conditions. What is binary conditions? Only true and false case, or if and else case. If is nothing but true case, else is nothing but false case. Only two. That is the binary conditions only np.where will works. Very good, Suresh. Now you created a array. You created a what? List. You created a list that you need to update in the original data frame, right? That you need to update in the original data frame. What is your original data frame? Data. Array v30f. We are working on data. We are working on data. Now two cases. What is the first case is you want to overwrite in the 1, 2, 3, 4 or you want to create extra column. Okay, two cases. You want to create extra column, first case. Second case, sir, I don't want to create extra column. Anyhow, 1, 2, 3, 4, I am changing to 1 to 100, 100. So I want to overwrite here. So now put side heading, case 1, case 1, case 1. Create a new column. Create a new column. We already learned how to create a new column, correct? How do we can create? Data square bracket, new column, which means in this data frame, what is the column where you want to create? New col. What is the name you want to create? New col equal to, you need to provide what? Values. How many values you want to provide? 4 values. How many rows are there? 4. So how many values you want to provide? 4. That is equal to 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400. So what will create now? New column is created. This is the way to create the column. This will end in our first class itself. This will end in our first class itself. Data, new column. You need to provide 4 values. Then new column will be created. New column will be created. Yes, very good, Suresh. Now you want to use this output. You want to use this output. You want to use this output. This output is nothing but what it is, a array. Array is now how many values are there? Just both are same. 4 values either, 4 values either. Both are same. So just what you to write, equal to data square bracket call 3. Data square bracket call 3. So what happened? New column will be created with what values? 1 comma 2 comma 100 comma 100. Instead of giving the list manually, we are providing what? np.where this entire values is nothing but a list. Nothing but a list. Now again data 1 comma 2 comma 100 comma 100. This is the way you need to create a new columns. You need to create the new columns. Now tell me any doubts in this. Can you please confirm the chat? Good, right? Yes. Yes. If you want to replace with the old column only, what you need to keep ma? Call 3 jagah mein call 1. Simple. Now same thing. Call 3 jagah mein call 1. Now what happened? It replace 1, 2, 100, 100. We are overrated. It's called override. Case 2. Case 2. Override. Override the column values. New column. Show me data first. What is your data? Show me data, ma, Sabita. Show me data. Data should be data frame. That's the data. Call 1, call 2. That is okay. And again, data new call 100, 200, 300 and 400. Only integer slices, ellipses, integers, valued indices. Can you run all together once? Create a data frame and create a column in the same line. Can you run like that? Can you do everything in the same line? Create a data frame like this and create a new column. Yeah. Override the columns. Everyone is good. Correct, money? Now shall we drop unwanted columns? How can we drop? Data dot drop. Do it. Drop unwanted columns. Drop unwanted. These things you should know, ma. This is only your job. Very good. This is only your job. These things you should know. Otherwise, you'll not become a data scientist. Not supported. Because where is your data frame? Now we'll check this data frame. Whenever you got the doubt is, you need to check the data frame first. Data. See, dictionary. It is not data frame. You need to pd.data frame. You need to save that. You need to save into one variable. You did not create it. Now see here. You see here, we created a dictionary. We created data frame. What we pass here? Dictionary. And where we saved here? Data. But your data is dictionary. My data is table. That's why we are getting error. Do like this, you will get the answer. Drop it, drop it. Data dot drop. Multiple columns. There are two columns. One is a new call, comma, call 3, multiple columns. X is equal to 1, in place equal to true. You know what is the meaning of in place, right? You no need to provide the variable again. Automatically data will be override. In place. In place. X is equal to 1 for columns. Multiple columns hai to very good, Priyanka, but what you are dropping? 2. You want to drop 2 directly. That is the row is dropping, na? That is only interview question I told you. Axis is plays very important role. X is equal to 1 means for columns. 0 means rows. You drop 2 column means you are providing 2, automatically go into second row. You need to mention the columns like this. You need to mention the columns. Now data. Now you got the original data. So what we have done here, let me know. Now see here. Everyone look at the board. We create a data frame. Okay, imagine you have a visa DF data frame. Imagine you have a prevailing wage is there. Now what you want to replace? Prevailing wage should be in the outlier condition. Replace with median. Otherwise same prevailing wage. Correct? Now do it. Do it for prevailing wage. Implement the about us. Implement the about us. Implement the same thing for prevailing wage. For prevailing wage. Prevailing wage. Implement the same thing for prevailing wage. First write the condition. Put in the NP dot where. Replace with median. Otherwise same value. And overwrite in the same column. Overwrite in the same column. Step 1. First write the condition. Write the condition. Step 2. Now what is the true value? True value is nothing but median value. Step 3. What is the false value? False value nothing but same column name. Same column. Same column values. Step 4. Implement np dot where. Implement np dot where. 3 values. पहले condition था. And then true value. बाद में false value. And then step 5. Overwrite in the same column name. Overwrite in the same column name. And step 6. Draw the box plot and check. Draw the box plot. And step 7. Draw the histogram. Draw the histogram for prevailing wage. For prevailing wage. Okay, Raidu? Very good. Don't skip the classes, ma. If you skip the classes, you will lost. So who are there in Tirupati? Murli? Currently any of our batch? Any of our batch members are there? ఎవరు ఉన్నారా మన బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళు తిరుపతిలో? లేరా? ఎవరు లేరా? ఉన్నారా? ఎవరు? నువ్వు కడప కదా? మీ అక్క బావ తిరుపతిలో ఉన్నారా? కాదు, మన బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అన్నారా అని, ఆన్లైన్లో అటెండ్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు మన బ్యాచ్లో? తిరుపతిలో ఎక్కడ ఏ హోటల్లో బాగుంటుంది రూమ్ తీసుకోవడానికి? ఫార్చ్యూన్ హోటలా? అనేసి పైన రూమ్ ఎలా దొరకదు, సింగిల్కి ఇవ్వరు కదా. సింగిల్కి ఇవ్వరు. సింగిల్ సింగిల్ వెళ్తున్నా, దేవుడు కల్లోకి వచ్చిండు. అరే నమ్ముతలేరా మీరు? నిజం, దేవుడు కల్లోకి వచ్చిండు. వచ్చిన వెంటనే బుక్ చేసిన, టికెట్ కూడా బుక్ అయింది. 300 రూపీస్ టికెట్. నెక్స్ట్ టైం మన చైర్మన్ సార్ని అడిగి L2 దర్శనంలోకి వెళ్తే ఇక వాళ్ళు డొనేషన్స్ ఇస్తారు కదా, వాళ్ళు ఫ్రీగా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. మీకు వద్దు. సో పైన రూమ్ దొరకదు కాబట్టి కింద రూమ్ తీసేసుకుంటా. రూమ్ తీసుకోవాలా మా ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలా ఆలోచిస్తున్నా. అమరావతి. అదేంటి హోటలా? బాగుంటుందా? ఎక్కడ బస్ స్టాండ్ దగ్గరేనా అది? డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఫ్లైఓవర్ అయిందా అది? ఇంకా కొంచెం పెండింగ్లో ఉందా? మ్మ్. నేను 1 ఇయర్ అక్కడే చదువుకున్నా కదా, అప్పుడు బాగానే తిరిగినా నేను. అక్కడ ఒక రెస్టారెంట్ ఉంటుంది, పల్స్ రెస్టారెంట్, బస్ స్టాండ్ ముంగట్లో. పల్స్. రెడ్డమ్మ హోటల్ తెలుసా మీకు? చికెన్కి బాగా ఫేమస్ కదా, రెడ్డమ్మ హోటల్. అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి క్రికెట్ ఆడేది, యూనివర్సిటీ ఉంది కదా, యూనివర్సిటీలో. మా కేఫ్ అని ఒకటి ఉంటుంది లోపలికి ఇటు, అక్కడ టీ బాగుంటుంది. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? రే వై ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సో మచ్ డిలే? మస్ రావ్యా ఏమైంది? టెల్ మీ ద కండిషన్. టెల్ ద కండిషన్ మా. వాట్ ద కండిషన్? కండిషన్ ఈక్వల్ టు visa df prevailing wage. Tell me. Greater than UB. Next. Or you will do like this. This is a condition one you will do. Okay. One more condition two is what? If you get confusion, do like this. This is a condition less than LB. Correct? Both are now condition one or condition two. Correct? That is a new condition. That is a new condition. Now next what? NP dot where? NP dot where? Condition. What happened? Nikita, Utkarsh, Sabita, Nagarani, Srishti, Naveen. Here what is the true value? Median value. One provide here we put like this. Wage median dot median. Want directly you can run dot median. Telugu mistake. I'm a Telugu medium. MAD. Right. Printing mistake, not spelling mistake. Okay. Wage median. Next. False जगह में visa DF. That's it. column value. Correct, Avesh? Now run it. Again, now all values. Now save into same column name. Con 1, con 2 means what happen? Only those greater than values only will come, right? This one. Directly want write like this. You can write it. Because you are intelligent, you can write directly. But the students like me go step by step. That is only some people will what happen, na? They will confuse. Big lines say so they will confuse hota. That's why we'll break like this. We'll break like this. Now box plot karo. PLT dot box plot. Gone. So many dots are gone. So it is correct. Not on this. Very important, my np dot where. Very important. np dot where. You can ask your so-called data scientist. VSRDF. Bitwise operator. You put this bracket పెట్టు. ఇక్కడ బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టు. రెండిటికి. ఇది మొత్తం అంత ఒక బ్రాకెట్ లాగా తీసుకో. ఒక నార్మల్ బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టు. మళ్ళీ దీనికి మొత్తం ఒక నార్మల్ బ్రాకెట్ పెట్టు. అప్పుడు అవుతుంది. Yeah, we can write in single line, not or, same like this only, but put the brackets. Put the brackets. This is one bracket like this. This is one bracket, or again one more bracket, condition. Same thing you can write my condition 1 you can do right. Condition 2 you can do like this. You can do that. But if you practice like this, what happen? You can achieve that way. This is for those who are learning from very scratch, right? For them. I don't want to confuse by providing a big things. Done, everyone? Easy. So np dot where is easy, right? Now onwards, any if and else condition, use np dot where only. np dot where. Done, everyone? Good. Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat? Srishti is good. Utkarsh is good. Shankar is good. Suresh. Narani, Priyanka Sahu. Nikita is good. What happened our offline students? Renuka, Rani, Uma Maheshwari, Sravanti, Sai Kiran. वो वेंकी किधर है? वेंकी వెంచు ఎవరు? ఇక్కడేనా? ఎందుకంటే నీ వీసా డిఎఫ్ ఎక్కడో మిస్ అయిపోయింది. ఒకసారి ఇది ఒక్కసారి ఓపెన్ చేసి రన్ చేస్తే మౌస్ నాకు వాడడం రాదే. వీసా డిఎఫ్ వాల్యూస్ బాగా హ్యూజ్ అయిపోయినాయి. అన్ని ఒకటే వాల్యూతో రీప్లేస్ అయ్యింది. అంటే నువ్వేం చేయాలంటే, నువ్వు పైన ఇక్కడ రీడ్ డేటా కొట్టు, డేటాను ఫ్రెష్గా రీడ్ చేయి, అప్పుడు రన్ చేయి సేమ్ కోడ్. అప్పుడు యూబీ అంటే ఏంటో ఎల్బీ అంటే ఏంటో కూడా చెక్ చేయాలి నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు. వాట్ ఈస్ యూబీ, వాట్ ఈస్ యూబీ ఒక అమ్మ, వాట్ ఈస్ ఎల్బీ కూడా చూసుకోవాలి. అది ఓకే, యూబీ ఎల్బీ డేటాను ఫ్రెష్గా రీడ్ చేసి రన్ చేయి అయిపోతుంది. Don't you are getting the error, read the data freshly here. Okay, read the data here. Read the data again. Don't who are getting error. Read the data again. Read the data again. Read the data again. Those who are getting the error. Then do your job. Then np dot where. Always read the data again, ma. Whenever you got the error. Shravani, queuing error, condition. What error? Outliers data, check outliers data. What is outliers data? Outliers data is series. You need to convert into values. Correct, Shravani? You are intelligent student. You are asking this kind of things, Shravani. Outliers data. Outliers data is a series, ma. Is a series. Is a series. Yeah, take a new notebook. Everyone good, right? Can we open a new notebook? New analysis. Everyone good, right? I'm opening a new notebook, ma. New analysis. Put side heading EDA 6th. 7th, huh? Ma, so much EDA we are doing. 6th, huh? Array. 7th or 6th? 6th only. Bivariate analysis. Bivariate and multivariate analysis. Multivariate analysis. Bivariate and multivariate analysis. Upload all the notebooks in the GitHub, okay? Upload all the notebooks in the GitHub. So that we will create a resume, right? We will add a GitHub link. So that interviewer will check. If they are interested in your profile, they will check in your GitHub whether you really done all the things. So create a folder, okay? EDA, and upload that. Data set you upload, EDA 1, EDA 2, EDA 3, EDA 4, and good write-ups also. That we will do. Next week we will do that practice only. By Monday we will finish EDA. You will have 1 week time. In 1 week time, everyone should write the inside. We will take one data set. You will prepare all the EDA and you will explain to me in the class your insights. I will talk to each and every person because I need to understand your analysis, how you are doing EDA. That is very, very important step so that you can apply for a job easily, a data analyst job. That is. Okay, everyone, I will talk to everyone, ma, everyone in the class. Yeah. Import the packages. Import the packages and read the data. बोलो. वो कैप कर सकते हैं. ओके, मीडियन रिप्लेस एंड कैप बोथ आर सेम ना. बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस मीडियन है. मीडियन. वो इफेक्ट नहीं होता ना, that only will end, right? Median will not affect the outliers. हाँ सेम है, लेकिन वो डिस्कशन हो जाता है इनसाइड में, इंटर टीम के लिए डिस्कशन हो जाता है, क्लाइंट में कन्विंस करना है क्लाइंट को, व्हाई वी आर डूइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. So if we are not getting machine learning output, then what we will do again, we'll try with Q3 Q1. That is like that, we'll see. Median. All these things we are doing because of we need to pass a good data to machine learning model. If that is giving good accuracy, it's okay, fine. If that is giving bad accuracy, again we'll back to come media and we'll modify everything, all the research. So bivariate analysis, first leg, take the continent column. We know that continent column value counts, continent column value counts, visa df, square bracket, continent, dot value counts. About method means you need to apply the bracket. That means what happened? Out of 25,000, 60,000 are coming from what? Asia. And 33,007 people are coming from Europe. That is the meaning, correct? Now, in the same way, case status also. Take the case status. Take the case status. Out of 25,000 people, 17,000 people are got the visa, and remaining 8,500 people are got the not getting the visa. Now we are very much interested. Out of 16,000 people, how many got the visa? How many are not getting the visa? What we are interested in now? Bivariate. That means we are analyzing the continent with the case status. The question is out of all Asian applicants, how many got visa? How many got visa? That is the question. Similarly, all like out of all Europe applicants, how many got visa? That is the question. Understood, guys? Now do it. What is your idea? How can you do that? I given amount of knowledge to write the conditions, right? First you fill condition right with Asia condition. That's the condition number 1. And another condition case status may certified. That is the condition number 2. Now वो intersection होना था condition 1 and condition 2. Write the conditions. You need to able to write the conditions now at this position. You know how to get the Asian people only, right? Asian data. Write the condition. Visa df square bracket continent equal to Asia. If you are not able to write, don't come to my class unless you learn that, because I give an amount of knowledge to you to write the conditions. If you are not able to write, means you are not practicing at all, and that is not good for you and me. Are you utilizing free buses? No. Why? No. You're utilizing. Mahalakshmi అనే బోర్డు ఇస్తున్నారా? Amma Bhairavi, is that applicable for you also? Only for Telangana locals. Sorry, so sad. Talk in Telugu, Bhairavi. Free bus. Visa, very good. That is a different data frames, right, Sushti? You need to combine. You need to combine them. You need to combine them. Combine the conditions. You need to combine the conditions. Very, very simple question. First condition, visa, continent equal to Asia. Second condition, visa, case status equal to certified. Condition 1, intersection means and condition 2. 11,000. Implement for all. Europe के लिए, North America के लिए. Apply the for loop and implement it. Don't write the copy the codes. Don't copy the codes, Neeraj. Apply the for loop now. What is changing? What is common? Yeah. First condition 1 equal to visa DF square bracket continent equal to Asia. Yes or no? Second condition 2 equal to visa DF square bracket. What is that? Case status? Huh? Case status equal to certified. We want intersection, both intersection, combination we want, right? Whenever combination means what? And condition. That is nothing but now new condition equal to condition 1 and condition 2. Now you want output. So visa DF square bracket condition. Now this Asia, and here if you go to here, certified. How many are done this? Raise your hands. Very good. Very good. ఎట్లమ్మా అట్లా కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ ఏసీ డేటాను ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకొని మళ్ళీ అందులో ఇంకో కండిషన్ డాట్ అలా కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. Now this we want to implement for how many continents are there? 6. So 6 times we want to write. So we will write a generalized expression. Write the generalized expression. Write the generalized expression. Generalized expression. What is common? What is changing? Only Asia, Africa will change. That will keep what? I. That will keep what? I. So I किधर से लाना? वो continents unique से लाना. Unique. Otherwise value count dot keys से लाना. Anything is fine. Unique. Visa DF continent dot unique. Asia, Africa, North America, Europe, everything is came, right? Or if you want to get the from value counts, visa DF square bracket, continent dot value counts dot keys. Same thing, your wish. That is, anything is fine. But these things you need to remember, ma. These things you need to remember very quickly. Because we've done many times, right? These things you need to remember. For I in, so I'm providing this as labels. I'm providing this as labels. labels, fry in labels. Again run this, get all. What happened for in labels? Not printing. What is the mistake? Spelling, fry in label. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. What happened? Not printing. Print ఇవ్వలేదు. Very good. Print ఇవ్వలేదు. Oh, if you write I, what happened? Asia, Africa. Create a data frame for this. Create a data frame. Put this length values in a list. Instead of print, put in a list. Certified count. Certified count. Do it fast. Empty list. Instead of print, certified count dot append. Now labels आ गया. Labels are there and certified count also there. Here how to create a data frame. pd.data frame zip of labels comma certified count and columns equal to continent comma case status. These all are jujube for you, right? How to create a data frame. Still anyone not able to do? This is the insight. This is the analysis. Continent, case status. Set index if I do continent. It will come like this. If you want to set this as index, you need to put set index as continent. If you remove this, what happen? It will become column. Understand the difference, ma? Understand the difference. Dot set index. Dot set index. Which one you want to set the index? Continent. Become like this. Okay, that is called indexing. That is called indexing. Yeah, first note down this, everyone. I hope so much of the code is done, right, everyone? And everything you can do that. pd.data frame kind of thing. Can you improvise the same as with the denied count? Can you create a denied count quickly? Here only. You need to add one more condition, right? Condition 3. Condition 3. Improvise this code for denied count. Improvise this code for denied count, ma. Improvise this code for denied count. Always think about generalized way. This certified count change the condition also, or otherwise directly put here. Remove this condition 1 and condition 2, keep here only directly. Directly keep here only. This we will write here directly. Correct, Avesh Khan? Now denied count. Why if and else? If this condition is true, otherwise you can do that. If condition 1 and condition 2, that also do. But you can create a one more condition 3. You can write denied like this. You can write denied like this. Okay. And here what you will do, will write one more count. What is that count? Denied count. We'll have denied count. Here what you will write? Instead of condition 2, condition 3. Condition 3. Now you have 3 things. We have 3 things. What are those 3 things? Labels are certificate count are and denied count. And what is the one more column? Certified and denied. Certified comma denied. Like this. Certified comma denied. We are doing the same analysis, conditioning and putting in the list and creating a data frames and making the graphs and diagrams. If you see the overall picture, we are doing this kind of thing many times, right? So now you need to do very quickly all these things, ideas. Any doubts, please let me know. I'm going to Tirupati, so my wife is going to my home. I said to her, go on super luxury bus, but she's denied. She'll go to an express bus only because I am free. अरे वो एक्सप्रेस बस है वो comfort नहीं comfort will be not there no so much कंजूस she is girls are कंजूस no Ravi girls are कंजूस only they will buy street shopping more buy earrings and that and this I hate I have asked her to go to Lalta jewelry buy gold rings no why you are doing like this all these things no they like that only same matching. You need to travel 200 kilometers in express, but it's not good, right? Correct, Ramesh? Our home is 200 kilometers far. Luxury bus only good. Now the same thing, if you want to get the same thing and you want to put the set index, you want to keep the set index like this, right? like this, certified and denied. So this is good or this is good? Which one you would like? Second one? Yeah, then try the second one. You need to set the indexes like this. Can you please confirm the chat? Everyone is good? Srishti, Utkarsh. Last line. This one. हाँ इंडेक्स सेट करना था. वो 3 कॉलम्स में दिस कॉलम है ना, वो कॉलम में कौन सा इंडेक्स सेट करना था? इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स में 0 1 2 3 4 5. If you save it, what happen? This come as index. These are the columns. Now 0 1 2 3 gone. Here 0 1 2 3 आ गया. The index. वो set index. हाँ anything. Out of these 3 columns, you want to set anything index. Any column you can set. Index ఏది ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ కాలం ఇదా? ఇక్కడ వేసేసినాం కదా ఇట్లా. ఇలా కాకుండా రాదు. ఎప్పుడైనా మన డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఇలాగే వస్తుంది. ఇక మనం ఇండెక్స్ సెట్ చేసుకోవాలంటే మాత్రం ఇండెక్స్ సెట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇండెక్స్. సో నౌ వాట్ ఇస్ ద వన్ ఫస్ట్ కాలం వి టేకెన్ మా? కాలం 1 visa df square bracket continent. What is the second column we taken? Column 2 equal to visa df case status. Again you can laugh but don't scold me, okay? Pd dot cross tab call 1 call 2 same answer, okay? Same answer, that is. You can laugh but don't scold me. Why we are doing all natak, sir? All drama. Bhairavi. Don't scold me, ma. Same thing. Oh, pd dot cross tab. Put side heading. Pd dot cross tab. You will not realize, ma. You will realize when interview call will happen. My trainings. Okay, at that time you will realize. Sir, why this all the drama has made me as pd dot cross tab. Call. If you replace the call to call 1, again this indexes will be changed. Now if you do the shift tab in first column is nothing but index. Second column is columns. Third is nothing but values. Oh, column 1 is nothing but what? Index. Column 2 is nothing but values. If you replace call 2 here, if you replace call 1, what happen? That will be changed. तो इंडेक्स क्या है इधर? केस स्टेटस. केस स्टेटस में कितने होना? 2. That's why this is index. All are columns. So column 1, if you like this, column 2 you write like this, again the diagram will be again change. That is pd dot cross tab. Order, decreasing order. A sort है ना? Sort is there? Don't think so. Sort is there. Sort is there, we can use. No, sort is not there. Sort is not there. Sort, if it is there, then only we can use. Otherwise, we can't use. They are coming in the continent in the alphabetical order. That's why you are getting these values. That's the default, it is there. Good, everyone. So you can able to do manually and you can use the methods also. Okay. Methods we can implement in real time after you get job. But in order to get job, they will ask the questions on the manually. Interview process on manually. While you enter into the job, you will do methods. You will do methods. Then you will not do manually. You will do only methods. Any tricky questions will come, right? Again, you will implement your skills. In order to get that skills, again, you need to know manual process. So that's why manual process is very, very important. It will increase our skills. You will get confidence. Ask me any question. I can think, I can do. That thinking analytics, when will it improve? If you do manually only. Use the methods, what happened? They will say that very clearly in interview. Without using method, implement that. Without using method, implement that. He will say that very clearly in the interview. So then you need to implement that. In order to, if you not get 100% successful also is fine. You will see your logic. Are you able to implement or not? Because he is not offering job in Google. He is offering job in the service-based companies. So they will not get 100% accuracy. So it is okay. It is okay, but at least you try to provide this knowledge. Try to provide this kind of knowledge. Very good. Now save this into one result. Suppose result 1. Result 1. Result 1. Now result 1 dot plot kind equal to bar. Kind equal to bar. You will get the like this. For legend certified of green wala, sorry, blue wala certified, green wala denied, and these are the values like this. You will get the graph. Okay, do this. So which one you like? Methods are like or manual process you like? Both. Very good. Can you please confirm the chat? Which one you like, ma? Which one you like? Neeraj. Srishi said both. Sabita. Utkar said manual. Both. Manual. Very good. I don't like anything. Say that. I don't like anything. I like to teach you. Only that only I like. क्या हो रहा है लैब में? हाँ अच्छे. Thank God you are not using ChatGPT. That is. Why I don't know why they are learning like that. What happened if you increase one more month? You will learn more knowledge, no? You need to learn like this. If you want to hurry and finish the trainings, if you want to finish hurry in the job, you will not get anything. Students will lose. You are coming from different states. Some are families are there. Some are staying in hostel. You are spending 6 months, 8 months, hostel money, here money, laptop money, 1 lakh you are spending. You are coming different states and you are working employee. So trainer should be concerned. Trainer should be definitely concerned. Every penny is matter. Double ఊరికే రావు. Okay. Every penny is matter. So I decided on that day. So I've seen so many different kind of people. I talked to them. I decided one day then I need to, is going to 5 months or 1 year, don't mind. It's okay. One student or two students, teach it. That is, you learn your process. You do your process. The name will come automatically will come. Now I have good name. Wherever I go, I will learn good name because I follow. I have some ethics. I have some rules. Whatever you do, whatever you say, I will do only like this only. If you're interested, you come. Otherwise, don't come. What happened? Instead of 3 months, you will finish by 4 months. It's okay, no? 1 more month. That is fine. So life is not an instant coffee like instant Zomato order, right? That is slowly you'll get. That is. No, so much is there to learn. If I'm telling you this much is there, then you are thinking wide range. So many things are there. Generative AI is there, AI is there, all these things. If I'm not tell anything, what you'll think? Only that will think, then outside you will go, then you will scold me. Scold a lot. In Hindi, in English, in Telugu, in Kannada. You'll scold a lot. Transformations also. So you'll scold a lot. Me తిట్లే నాకు దీవెన అన్నట్టు you'll scold a lot. Next, take three variables now. Take three variables. One is continent, and another one is education, and third one is case status. Case status. Take three variables. Call 1 is equal to visa df square bracket continent. Call 2 equal to visa df case status. Call 3 equal to visa df square bracket education of employee. Three columns are there. In order to apply pd.cross step, you need to combine any of two columns. Only one column should be alone, that is the index, and remaining column should be values. Only one column should be alone. Okay, that means suppose you want to continent as your index, you need to combine these two. Combine means what happen? Remaining one more column equal to list of call 1 comma call 3. So call 2 comma call 3. You are combining these two columns. Combining these two. Now this become what? Index. And this become what? Values. Now insert pd.cross tab. Insert pd.cross tab. Provide index column. What is the column? Call 1. Provide values column. What is that? Call. Then you'll get like this. Oh, Africa mein certified case, bachelors are 81, doctors are 43, high school are 23, masters are 250. Oh, denied case mein again same thing. Like that you need to understand. Again I am repeating ma. Index should be always at one column only, remaining two are values. Suppose sir, I don't want call 1 as index. You write like this, call 2, call 1. Then what happened? Call 2 here. Again the diagram will be changed. The data will be changed. Because now which one is the index now? Call 2 is index. Call 2 is nothing but what? Case status. Oh, certified and denied. Now tell me, which data frame will be better? Which should be index, which should be values? Which you would like? Index continent, huh? That only you like? So call 1 here, call 2 here. Huh? So this format you good? Or any other format? Utkarsh also saying continent as. Shall we do call 3 as index once? Call 1 here, call 2 here, and call 3 here. Is also not good? Then only call 1. So either call 2, call 3. Okay, note down this. Now this is a multivariate, now dot diagram, result 2 equal to result 2. Result 2 dot plot kind equal to bar. Oceania is very, very less. Who will live in Oceania? So diagram is different, ma. If you want to take any other diagrams, you can take that. Bokeh plots are there, Plotly are there, Seaborn is there. Okay, don't run behind about the diagrams and pray for that also. You should not get the job in the diagram jobs. Okay, pray for that also. Diagram jobs are very, very boring jobs. AI jobs only very, very interesting jobs. That's why that course they are asking to learn, right? 6 hours course. I just opened, I just left. That's the diagram course. Data visualization course from Udemy. So this is a multivariate analysis. But if you observe, what is this is column, categorical column or numerical column? Categorical. This also? This also? So two categorical columns, all categorical columns we are going like this, bar plot. Categorical column only. The one categorical column. Now what happens if one numerical column is there, another numerical column is there, two numerical columns. Now that is the next case. Put side heading, numerical versus numerical. So first complete this. Numerical versus numerical. Put side heading, numerical versus numerical. Numerical versus numerical. Getting output? Getting? Murli? వస్తున్నాయా? Put side heading, numerical versus numerical. Numerical versus numerical. There the thing is called PLT dot scatter plots. PLT dot scatter plots. PLT dot scatter. Again put one more side heading. PLT dot scatter. Suppose x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then y is equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What are the points here? Tell me. 1, 11 is 1 point. 2, 12 is another point. Yeah, 3, 13. 4, 14. And 5, 15. Imagine you want to draw a graph of this. Imagine you want to draw a graph of this in the coordinate graph book. In the childhood we have drawn, right? Pencil, scale, like that. Now the same thing we can implement by using PLT dot scatter. PLT dot scatter. PLT dot scatter plot. PLT dot scatter x comma y. See, this is a graph. PLT dot scatter. Cycle 0, 0, 0, 0. The data ఏడో తేడా అయిపోయింది. Data frame spellings తీసుకోవాలి. Spellings. visadf.columns right? Press తీసుకో. అక్కడ చేయి visadf.columns కొట్టు. కొట్టు. చెక్ కాలమ్స్ పేరు చెక్ చేయి. పైకి పో. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎంప్లాయీ కరెక్ట్ ఉందా? కేస్ స్టేటస్ వీళ్ళు 550 కూడా వచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ నీకు వీసా డిఎఫ్ నాకు తెలిసి నువ్వు ఓన్లీ డినైడ్ అది మాత్రమే తీసుకున్నావా? వీసా డిఎఫ్ వీసా డిఎఫ్ కొట్టు ఒకసారి. వీసా డిఎఫ్ కొట్టు. చూడు అన్ని ఏసియా ఓకే. అవి ఏసియా పైన అవి 25480 కరెక్టే ఉంది. కాంటినెంట్ కాలం 1 కాల్ 2 కాల్ 3 ఇగో కాలం 1 అని తీసుకున్నావు. ఇప్పుడు కాలం తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. కెన్ యూ క్రియేట్ ద పారాబోలా? y is equal to x square. Parabola. Y is equal to x square. Take values -10 to 10. Don't write -10, -9, -8. Implement the for loop. In a list comprehension. Now from that again create the x square value of the for loop. X equal to -10 to 10 values. Y equal to square of the x. X equal to -10 to 10. -10 to 10. Y equal to square of x. Both implement using for loop. List comprehension. Done. Very good. I for I in range of -10 to 11. Then I into I for I in x. For I in x. So x means it is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y is equal to 100, right? Like this. 100. Correct. Now PLT dot scatter x comma y. Now in the down PLT dot plot you do x comma y. The dots will be joined. PLT dot plot. PLT dot plot means only single line will come like this. Scatter means scatter will come. If you write both together, you'll get like this. Note on this. So scatter plots used for only numerical analysis. Now in VISA DF, how many numerical columns are there? 3. Now we'll plot that. We'll plot the PLD dot scatter of numerical columns. Pick only 2 columns. Plot it. Education of employee and prevailing wage. Plot it. Education of employee and prevailing wage. Thank you, Amja. Thank you so much. We'll finish it and we'll close today, okay? Bear with me. If you want, I will offer a tea. Okay. ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है मीन्स वो स्कैटर प्लॉट करो ना वो डॉट्स आर जॉइनिंग you are combining the dots, don't connect the dots. PLD dot scatter करो. Hey Amjad, thank you so much. Amjad is, I don't want to take all these things. Amjad is saying that I've taken other course, but your teaching is out of everyone. MashaAllah. Thank God. Your money is safe. Your money is safe. Education column and prevailing wage. Very good. Independent हो गया ना? Scatter plots for only numerical analysis. Scatter plots provide an idea. Scatter plots provides an idea that the both are is related each other or not related each other. Both variables are related or not related. We know that we have 3 things. One is positive relation, and we have negative relation, and we have no relation. Positive relation means increase in the curve, increase in the curve, type, increase in the curve. Negative relation means decrease in the curve, No relation means neither increase nor decrease. So now just check for the education of employee and prevailing wage. Call 1 equal to visa DF, education of employee. Call 2 equal to visa DF, prevailing wage. Now PLD dot scatter call 1 comma call 2. Education of employee is what? Numerical column or categorical? Categorical, na? Check the numerical column. What are the numerical columns? Create it. Numerical column equal to D types equal to dict of visa DF, D types. So D types equal to this. Bracket is not there. So numerical column equal to I for I in D types if D types square bracket I not equal to O square bracket. No. Here the number of employees. Just take the number of employees. It is increasing or decreasing or no relation? What will say? No relation. It's not increasing, not decreasing. It just pasted like that. That is just pasted. No relation. It is a no relation. Yeah, note on this. Note on this first. No relation. No relation. Now we identified whether it is a relation or no relation, right? But we have a number that is called correlation coefficient. I remember correlation coefficient. R value -1 to 1, -1 to 0 means negative relation, 0 means no relation, 0 to 1 means positive relation. We need to get the value so that we have a concrete proof. So this value should be how much now? Approximately 0. That's why it is no relation. We need to get that proof. This is a diagrammatic diagram saying that no relation. Diagram saying that no relation. Now let's put side heading covariance. Have you remembered the covariance? How many numerical variables are there? How many combinations will come? Oh, क्या रे? Saurav? How many numerical variables are there? 3. 3 into 3? 9. What are the, tell me? What are the numerical columns? Number of employees, year and wage, right? Okay, number of employees. Number of employees. Number of employees, one column. Employee. Next, what is the column? Year. Next, what is the column? Wage. How much combinations will get like this? Number of employee. Number of employee. Number of employee. What is that next? Year. Next, what will get? Wage. I will remember this matrix, covariance matrix. Covariance matrix. I will remember. Now, ये क्या होता? Variance से होता. Variance. What will come? Covariance will come. It what will come? Covariance will come. This is what will come? Covariance. It is variance. It is covariance. It is what will come now? Covariance. Covariance. It is variance. Remember this, everyone? Covariance matrix. Covariance matrix. The same way correlation matrix also what will come? Covariance divided by sigma x into sigma o formula है ना? Correlation formula. We done manually. Now remember correlation formula. Tell me what is correlation formula? Covariance of x comma y by covariance of x comma y by sigma x into Deepak is great. Okay. Covariance of x comma y by sigma x into sigma. Next, put side heading. Put side heading correlation coefficient. This I am recapping again I am recapping everything. Don't forget this. Put side heading correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. Pearson correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. Denoted with what? Denoted with R. R ranges from -1 to 1. Positive relation range. Positive relation range equal to ये 0 से शुरू होता 1 like this bracket. Negative relation range equal to -1 से 0. No relation equal to means approximately 0. Approximately 0. The correlation coefficient. If you see here, just look at the board. Just look at the board. What is the meaning of this? 22 comma 5. Okay. 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. What is the meaning of first one? Both are included. What is this meaning? 2 included, 5 not included. What is this meaning? 2 not included, 5 included. What is this meaning? Both are not included. That is the meaning. So this will be there in the standard textbooks. So that's why we also make habitual to write like that only here. What is the meaning here? Positive relation means a 0 to 1, but 0 will not included. So -1 included, but 0 not included. Now if a random package also import random dot rand int. If you do like this, to do the shift tab, what they mentioned here? 2 square brackets. And what they mentioned here? Included both points. Square bracket means both points will be included. Normal bracket means that point is not included. So that is you need to, we learn in the 6th class that. Now get the formula. Go to Google. Get the correlation coefficient formula. Right click. Inspect. Next, edit as HTML. Our famous words. Control A, Control C. Idhar aaja. Control V, Escape M, Shift Enter. This is the formula. Correct? That formula is nothing but Deepak said. What is that? Covariance of x comma y by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. That all things you need to remember. These all are interview questions. Scatter plot matlab kya hai? How can you find the values, covariance matrix and everything? This will be done. Whatever we done in the classroom and the same thing we are doing in the using Python. So both times you will recap. Both times. You note down this quickly. We'll close in 10 minutes. In my office, lucky thing is Friday no meetings in afternoon. Friday no meetings. No meeting in the evening also every day. Only the thing manager will ping. Manager will talk, but no official meetings. Only official meeting is 12:30. Every day 12:30. But Friday no meetings. Friday no meeting, no work. Enjoy. You want to work in my team? Saurav is thinking my work is arams. In industry, how it will be there? Now, when you got project, you will work more. Day and night, weekends, so much time. When you don't have project, you will not do anything. 1 month or 2 months like that. When we have work, it is a more work. Yeah. Now put side heading. Yeah. Tell me, ma, what is the correlation coefficient formula? Covariance of x comma y by sigma x into sigma y. Ranges varies from -1 to 1. 0 means no relation. So 0.6 means 60% positive relation. Minus 0.6 means 60% negative relation. Now, in order to identify your data frame name is what? BSRDF dot CORR. Dot CORR is the method. Dot CORR is the method. CORR method. Put side heading CORR. CORR is the method. CORR. So VSRDF dot CORR. Shift tab you do, ma. Some people will able to see numerical only. Some people not able to see numeric only. How many are able to? How many are not able to see numeric only? How many are not able to see numeric only? Shift tab karo. Those who are able to see numeric only, write like this. Numeric only equal to true. Because Visa DF has many columns, you need to mention that I want to take only numerical columns, right? That you need to mention. Now, those who are not getting, PD dot version check karo. Double underscore version double underscore. Mera version 2.0.3. If तुम्हारा version less than 2, you will not able to see. Double underscore. Double underscore. If version is less than, you will not able to see numeric. If version is more, updated. We are updated. You are not updated. Again, pip install. First uninstall karo. Again, pip install pandas equal to 2.0.0 like that. 1.4. 1.4. 1.5. Wow. First uninstall karo. Pip uninstall. Not now. Pip uninstall. Pandas. फिर भी pip install pandas equal to 2.0.3. Check in Google. Only Google will help. Those who are not able to see numeric only, this can be applicable for latest version. You need to see numeric only option. Numeric only. What is numeric only meaning? In the data frame, we have both categorical column and numerical column, but correlation applies for correlation applicable for numerical column, applicable for only numerical column. That's why we are explicitly mention numeric equal to true. Numeric equal to true. That we were mentioning. If people has Panda's old version, they don't have numeric argument. They don't have numeric only argument. For them, directly visa df dot corr. Visa df dot corr will works. Corr will works. Okay. Visa df corr. If I remove this, right, I will get error. If I remove, I will get error. Why I will get error? Because my visa df is confusing. It is confusing. Could not convert string to float. So that's why what I am providing here, numeric equal to true. Then I will get output like this. Covariance matrix output. What is the output? Covariance matrix output. If you see here, prevailing wage and number of employees, how much is there? 0. That's why no relation. A क्या है? 0. No relation. A क्या है? 0. No relation. All are no relation only. If you want, you can check other columns also. If you want, you can check other columns also. No relation, no relation, no relation. No relation. No relation. PLT dot scatter visa df square bracket year of establishment with PLT dot scatter visa df and what will keep prevailing wage. Prevailing wage. It is also no relation. Just scattered like that. How much the value is there? 0.01. That is a proof. That is a proof. Note down this. Make sure that make sure. Numeric only true, you need to keep those who are updated version. Those who are not updated version, update it. Otherwise, keep that visa df.corr. It works. Yeah. And we will see next thing on Monday. Okay. Done. What is the question that is? Dice wala. Dice wala. Now comes the real challenge. You are happily sending a lazy afternoon playing your board game with your dice when suddenly Mr. Snorlog, you love Thor gum, you didn't like much prepared. Loki dooms your face is fun, remove all the spots of the dice. Before and after. No problem, you have tools to reattach the spots black in the dice. However, Loki. Input is what? Die A 1, 2, 3, 4. Die B equal to die A. A transform uniform dice take die A B input, output new die, and no new die AX equal to 4. Die A cannot have more than 4 spots on face. Okay. Die A may be multiple faces, the same number of spots. Die B can have many spots on face necessary and even more than 6. New dice must have the same spot reattached to those. Probabilities are not changed. We have the tools to reattach the spots. So they are saying that die A cannot have more than 4 spots. More than 4 spots means what is the probability? 1, 2, 3, 4 only you can return. Out of 6 at a time only 1, 2, 3, 4 should come. Either 1 can come, 2 can come, 3 can come. Not more than 4, right? 4 can come. Not more than 4. What the probabilities? 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, like that probability. And then die A may have multiple faces with the same number of spots. Out of 6. No, die, you will play die, no? At a time, what will come? One of the 6 values will come. That means we are not more than 4. That value should be become as a 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's the 4 number. But the 4 is coming again, come out of from 6 only, no? That is the overall, right? Overall is 6. But you can't get 5 by 6. You can't buy 6 by 6, like that. Tricky question, na? Tricky question. You need to sit and do, you need to do this. This is got by your senior. His first round is clear. Second round is this question. He need to submit today and he send me in the night, the evening. One day, how can you solve these kind of questions? You can't solve in one day these kind of questions. Because we don't know where is correct or wrong, first of all. We need to check that is. Now die A, die B can have many spots on face necessary, even more than 6. So die A and die B is a combination of A and B or what? Acha. How can more than 6 combinations will come under die B? हाँ, कैसे आ गया? Or it will come. There's a undoomed dice is there. The transform function you need to create. That take die A and die B. Inputs A and B. Die A will be question mark, question mark. New die B question mark, question mark. Where? No. New die A equal to greater than 4. What is this question mark? Yeah, I will let you know. I will think and I will let you know. Okay? Problems will not change. No, die A might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 input. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 input. But you provide the condition. The die of A of X is called greater than 4. It will know. It will not take anything. It will not take anything. The output might be, I'm thinking, remaining 4 only out of 6 question marks, only 4 question marks to return. Like that combination should return. Thinking that. But we need to think again. It will take some time. I will let you know. Okay, ma. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you on Monday. Thank you. Thank you, Priyanka. Naveen, you are getting because of O. TikTok D types. Prime D types. Not callable. Visa DF D types. Check it, ma. The D types. Check the D types first. Are you getting or not? చెప్పమ్మా. అది వస్తుంది, ఓపెన్ అవుతుందా? కొంత ఓపెన్ కావట్లేదు అంటున్నారు.